What works and what continues to fail. You believe your smile may benefit from some TLC, but you don't want to spend the time or money on in-office treatments. Drugstore strips and gels are not going to sell you. Some natural at-home solutions are both safe and effective in whitening your teeth. Learn which options are the best ones for you and which ones you should ignore. If you enjoy this video, please give us a like, it will help out the channel a lot, and share it with someone you think will find value in it. Okay, here we go. 1. Take care of what you eat. A pound of treatment is worth an ounce of prevention. You don't have to give up recognized offenders like dark berries and beverages like soda, red wine, and coffee. Consume them in moderation and immediately after to reduce the likelihood that they will harm your teeth. For the sake of the enamel, wait 30 minutes before brushing. Another justification for quitting is the fact that chewing tobacco and smoking both leave stains. 2. Turmeric. The spicy, bitter spice that gives curry its distinctive flavor is also a natural dye that may produce a brilliant gold hue on white cloth. Turmeric paste is said to restore the pearly white appearance of stained teeth. But hold the mustard. This claim is unsupported by reliable research. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Before brushing, gargle with apple cider vinegar to help kill bacteria and erase stains, as the saying goes. They claim that you'll grin more whitely. We apologize, but there is no research to support these statements. Apple cider vinegar won't whiten your teeth, but it can improve the flavor of salad dressing. 4. Hydrogen peroxide. It is the bleaching component of the majority of kits for at-home whitening. It truly alters the color of a tooth. According to one research, using a 6% hydrogen peroxide over-the-counter gel to paint on teeth produced a change after 2 weeks. A lesser amount is often present in the affordable liquid bottles that you may get at a pharmacy. Additionally, the American Dental Association asserts that before teeth whitening, swishing would likely irritate your gums. 5. Apples, pineapples, strawberries. Apple's malic acid increases saliva production to help neutralize acidity. Whitening toothpastes include bromelain, a pineapple ingredient. However, there is no proof that consuming these fruits would make your smile sparkle. Also avoid the strawberries. According to a research published in Operative Dentistry, using a paste made of them and baking soda to brush with showed no whitening results. Even worse, the outer layer of your teeth's enamel might be damaged by the citric acid in strawberries. 6. Baking soda. It aids in the rising of the batter and acts as a mild abrasive to remove stains. You might try making your own baking soda paste, but switching to toothpaste containing sodium bicarbonate would likely yield better results. According to studies, surface stains can be removed over time by brushing with products containing baking soda. 7. Oil pulling. Popular in Ayurvedic medicine, this method. To draw out bacteria, you swirl a spoonful of oil, such sesame, coconut, or olive oil, around in your mouth for up to 20 minutes. Coconut oil may be used to prevent tooth decay, according to a recent research, but there is no evidence that it makes teeth gleam. 8. Brushing and flossing. A tried and true way to maintain your smile looking its best is to practice good dental hygiene. Brushing your teeth with toothpaste will help remove surface stains gently. Even if they have additional components, whitening toothpastes function the same way, they don't bleach your teeth. Flossing removes food particles and germs that might congeal into plaque, which darkens and dulls the appearance of your teeth.